Should we take a look at it together?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the question. Jane has 45 toys.
Yes, she did.
Okay, and they're all in a box.
Yep, they
Now,
are.
she takes some toys out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now there are 22 toys in the box.
Ooh.
22 toys.
22 toys in the box, folks.
Question is, how many toys did Jane take out of the box?
Oh. Well, that's what we need help with.
Okay, let's think about it. It really is a question of subtraction. Because if you think about it, we have 45 in total, and now there are 22, so she took out some number, and we could find that by simply taking the 45 and now removing the 22 that are still in the box. And that difference, whatever that equals, that's going to tell us how many she took out of the box.
Those are pretty big numbers there, Professor.
They are, Big Joey, and that can be kind of scary. And so let's use the break apart strategy to make it a lot easier.
Oh, yeah. Show that to me again.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the 22. That's what we have to now take away from the 45.
Right.
And I'm going to now just break it apart. And I'm going to break it apart and say, well, that's just 20
Okay.
plus 2.
Oh, right.
But you know what? I still think those are big numbers. That 20 still looks kind of scary to some people.
Yeah, it can be.
So let's break it apart to 10 and 10.
Wow.
So we have 10 plus 10 is 20, and 20 plus 2 is 22.
Oh, cool.
So all we have to do is think of a number line. I'll bring one right in here.
Yeah.
And all we have to do is start at 45,
Right.
and then first jump backwards by 10, skip another 10 back,
Right.
and then just skip another tiny 2 back, and we'll have our answer.
Oh, well, let's do it.
Okay, good, fun. Let's do it together. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to see 45. That's way over here on the right. So that's where we're going to start.
Yeah.
Now, what we're going to do is we're going to now hop back 10. So
far over there, 45.
I know, it's a big number. Now we're going to now subtract the 10. That's right here. So that's going to take me to 35. You ready?
Right.
Hop. Hop. And so that's the minus 10.
Okay, so that's part of the 20.
That's part of the 20. Now we're going to do the other part of the 20. So we're going to subtract 10 again. So 35 minus 10 is going to be 25.
Yep.
So that's going to be the other minus 10.
And then we just have to minus 2?
Exactly. We're going to subtract 2. That's a little hop. Little teeny hop.
Just a little skip.
Boop, boop.
There you go.
Minus 2. And where's our answer? We see the answer is 23. And so the question is, how many toys did Jane take out? The answer is she took out 23 toys. And let me just write that to finish the number sentence and say, we see 23. So 45 minus 22 is actually equal to 23.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
That sure does help a lot. I better go help Jane